Nature exists in a continuous cycle that constantly shifts from darkness to light and darkness again, from day to night and day again, from birth to death and birth again. For animals, this is the natural way of life, each day same as the other. They accept whatever comes their way as the natural process of life. Unfortunately, most of us accept whatever comes our way, believing it to be our destiny. Most of us are completely unaware of the enormous power hidden inside us. Passion is the great treasure house of power that is locked inside every one of us. And the man who can unlock the doors to your passion is P.S. Rathore, the man who hands you the key to your power. P.S. Rathore, the peak performance specialist. Become a motivational speaker and behavioral trainer. He realized that there was a vacuum which could be filled by giving his services to improve communication skills, methods to motivate employee-employer relationship, techniques to help staff shape up skills for restructuring organizational changes. The journey began many years ago when he became the founder member of Rathore Management Corporation. P.S. Rathore is a very confident personality. Spend a few minutes with him and you start realizing his conviction about practicalities of life. His commitment towards shaping the personalities of people in the right chosen directions. He has solutions for all those who take life as a challenge. P.S. Rathore's Guru is be passionate, create passion and achieve success. His career as a motivational speaker began when he delivered his first lecture in an MBA institute in Rishikesh. His lecture on how to handle yourself during testing times received standing ovation. His widely acclaimed high-impact methods will help you unfold your true potentials, individually or collectively, as an organization or as a group, using quick-effect practical tools such as learning and achieving goals, balancing and concentration, time management, brainstorming, benchmarking, total quality management, value chain, 80-20, etc. You can choose any of the following programs that suit your company. Discover the Power Within, Firewalk Seminar, Power of Sales and Negotiation, Team Building, Strategy to Execute and Deliver, Living with Passion, Stress Management, Communication and Presentation Seminar. P.S. Rathore ensures that you achieve emotional mastery, corporate mastery, execution mastery. During the seminar, one can experience transformation. From just another face in the crowd, you emerge as a leader. He has an unending list of corporations that regularly invite him to motivate their staff. Saint Gobain, Microsoft, Tata Consultancy Services, HCL Infosystem Mumbai, Q Nagel, KPMG, Chambal Fertilizers, MMTC, NHPC, National Textile Corporation, Ministry of Finance, Power Finance Corporation, Indian Merchant Chamber, Mumbai, Bank of India, the ICAI, Avon Cycles, LIC, Ranbaxy, Kerala, other armed forces, Delhi Police, and the list goes on. The flagship program of P.S. Rathore, Discover the Power Within, is about accomplishing breakthrough achievements and moving away from fears. The simple yet extraordinarily effective workshop of P.S. Rathore is the place where you first plug into your passion and discover all your extraordinary powers. The power to rise, the power to change, the power to create, the power to believe in yourself, the power to succeed. We have a few excerpts of the media coverage for you.
राठौर साहब का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और आपने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में नौकरियां की, लेकिन आप मोटिवेशन गुरु, मैनेजमेंट गुरु, इस तरह के मतलब जो सोचा नहीं जा सकता था।
देखिए उसमें एक सबसे बड़ी बात थी कि आज फ्रस्ट्रेशन हर जगह पाया जाता है। एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ फ्रस्ट्रेशन, लेट इट बी फैमिली, लेट इट बी प्रोफेशनल, लेट व्हाटएवर लाइफ इट इज। सो आई वांटेड टू टेल पीपल हाउ टू कम आउट ऑफ द फ्रस्ट्रेशन। देख, एक मदर जब बेबी डिलीवर करती है तो she suffer terrific pain, you know, but you cannot find a frustration. She enjoy. You know, she has a power to bear that pain happily. I tell in program that if you want to have a baby, you have to suffer for it. You have to go through the frustration. What happens, you know, in a people's life, they want to be a big, but they don't want to take pain. ऐसे नहीं होगा। अगर जिंदगी जीना है साहब तो हमें पेन लेना पड़ेगा और उसके लिए हमें अपनी कुर्बानी देनी पड़ेगी। कहीं ना कहीं हमें कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ना पड़ेगा। एंड ये ऐसे नहीं होता कि बातों से हो जाए।
राठौर का दावा है कि आग पर चहलकदमी करने का तरीका न सिर्फ लोगों का तनाव कम करने में कारगर साबित हुआ है, बल्कि लोगों का आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाने में भी इसका कोई जवाब नहीं।
हम पुरानी चीज को भुला देते हैं, हम कहते हैं उसको याद करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा देते हैं, एब्सोल्यूट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यस आई कैन डू इट इन एनी सिचुएशन।
आजकल की भागदौड़ भरी जिंदगी में हर कोई तनाव से जूझ रहा है। ऐसे ही परेशानी से दो चार हो रही इस लड़की को अंगारे भी फूल जैसे महसूस हो रहे हैं।
अगर आपको पता है कि आपको लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो करना है। कॉन्फिडेंस इससे काफी कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा है।
इन लोगों की हिम्मत और जज्बे को देखकर यही कहा जा सकता है कि खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा बंदे से पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है। कैमरा पर्सन सुनील बिष्ट के साथ नुज़रत नसरीन, जी न्यूज़, दिल्ली।
राजधानी के होटल एम्बेसडर में मैनेजमेंट ग्रुप पीएस राठौर ने वर्कशॉप करके लोगों को बेहतर हेल्थ के टिप्स दिए।
अगर आप में कुछ करने का जज्बा है तो शायद ही दुनिया में कोई ऐसा काम होगा जो आप नहीं कर सकते हैं। इसी बात को दिखाता है मैनेजमेंट गुरु पीएस राठौर का ये वर्कशॉप।
We should know how we should behave, how we should communicate with other people.